cat. Bad
Close that door. Close that door. Don't let her in that room.
Bad cat.
Don't chase her. Leave her. Don't chase her.
She's a bad cat. Bad kitty.
Here, Penelope, let me help you move that out of the way so you can...
That is a bad cat. Bad kitty.
Come on, shush. Leave her alone. She's not playing with the mouse now. Come on, eat your mouse. Penelope with a mouse in the house. Kelly, you're scary.
That's your Christmas present.
A mouse. What about the great big one?
That's a rat.
I mean, that was a huge rat. I can't believe a rat could be that big.
Come on, don't sit down. Go sit down so she plays with it because I'm trying to tape it.
Put it on an ABC Family.
Okay, who's next?
Me.
Okay, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to jail.
No, collect 200. Actually, no, I have to ask it.
What? What is this?
Collect 200.
Collect 200 salary as you pay.
Pass.
As you pass.
Don't smell.
Then he has to give you 200.
No, I didn't pass.
No, you didn't get that.